sent some battery operated sconces to try out that I'm going to put on a staging wall I'm building. So let's get them installed. A couple different ways you can install them. You can install them by screwing them into the wall, but they also have where you can install them with some glue. So you can either screw them into the wall or do nail-free glue installation. So I'm going to go ahead and install them with screws. So I will use some anchors in my drywall, and then you attach it with the plate and then get it all installed. So let's get it together. So here's the installation plates. Going to install this against the wall, and then the plate goes over it, and then you have these little screws that then go on there. So I'm going to start with getting the plate installed. I need to find the center of this plate so I know where to put it. So it is about 4 1/8. So I'm going to put 2 1/16 is where I'm going to mark my middle. Just going to mark it on the middle there. Okay. And then I'm going to line up this line. Well, first of all, I need to do this. I need to where those holes are. So I'm going to use a little level here. And I'm going to draw a little line. I'm going to line up my middle mark with my laser level, and I'm going to find that line in the holes. And I'm going to make sure this is level. Okay, it's level. It's level there, it's level there. And so now I'm just going to fill in these holes. Okay. There are some anchors, but I just have some self-driving ones on hand, so those are the ones I'm using. I'm going to make a little hole to make it easier for myself. Okay, so I started a hole, and now I'm just going to insert the anchor. I wonder if I have a stud there. This part goes in here. And then this part screws into here. Okay, I'm gonna make sure the seam is at the back so I don't see that. Now this part gets put on here, and then I've got a washer and a nut to secure it. And then I just need some parallel to the wall there before I tighten it down. Okay, I've got this and that. go install it. So these just fit over here, and you're going to tighten these down. So here's the remote control. You have the on-off button. You can flip it between a warm white, a cool white, and 50-50, which is nice. And then you also have the opportunity to turn it up and down, set a timer, 1 hour, 3 hours, or 5 hours. And then you can also cycle through some colors. So here's red, green, blue, orange. I'm assuming that's cyan. Y is yellow, purple, and then you've got these multicolored ones. So it says F and S. So there is I'm assuming like a flicker and probably like a slow fade. So that's kind of cool for like a party atmosphere. That would be awesome. So you can also increase the intensity, whatever you want to do there. So I am loving this. It looks really good in my space. Definitely check them out.